Hi, my name is Marshall Cofield and I drive a 2013 Subaru BRZ. So it's the rallybacker version 2 16-piece wide body kit. The seibon carbon fiber CF hood. Valenti taillights, and then my headlights are fully custom made by Flyride, so fully LED, can control it completely on my phone. Forgestar M14 3-piece wheels, and I am on Hankook Ventus Evo 2s, 245/40, 18 in the front, 275/35, 18 in the rear. I have the Brum Falcon X racing seats with the Brum 5-point harnesses with a Cypher harness bar. It's a D&D performance steering wheel with the Energy quick release, all just carbon fiber dress up kit on the interior. And if you want to see more cars like mine, go ahead and head over to wheelwell.com.